What sorrowful tale lingers behind the sadness in the princess's eyes today? Join us in our magical journey to help a frustrated princess and restore the kingdom's happiness. Dive into the world of chemistry and learn about SI units of measurement, metric prefixes, conversion between SI units, significant figures, and their use in basic and more complex calculations, scientific notations, correctly evaluating functions, and systematic procedures for conversion between different systems of units. Step into the shoes of the kingdom's greatest hero. In this game, you take on the challenge of solving intricate problems and overcoming tough obstacles. Only your courage and wit can restore happiness to the royal family and bring happiness to the kingdom. The fate of this magical world lies in your hands. Are you ready to take on the adventure? With infinite variations of problems, you'll have endless opportunities to practice and sharpen your skills. Feeling stuck? Just click on the oracle. She will offer you a glimpse of the correct answer and a helpful hint when the solution isn't straightforward. Perfect for brushing up on your chemistry skills and enjoying a captivating adventure.